Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, first up we got Major Logistics, courier services company, that's Mailpac Group Limited, trading in their shares. We're used to seeing on the buy side of the purchase. In tonight's case, a bit of the sell side. Senior manager selling down a total of 73,000 shares, end of August 31st, 2021 in Mailpac. Next up tonight, we got Supreme Ventures Limited, ticker symbol SVL, that's the gaming and the entertainment giant, trading in their shares on the buy side. That's what we tend to see here. A senior manager purchasing a small amount of shares. No matter how small, you got to get to know those corporate action items, whether you're a shareholder or an investor or you're on the sidelines looking to get in. It's a total 4,866 shares on September 6, 2021. Now, big news here. That's ISP Finance Services Limited. They've been a bit of one of the smaller microfinance companies in the sector, but they are listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, the JSE. A big advisory here. Talk about no longer being on the sidelines, potentially coming up in the quarter. An advisory, loan purchase agreement by ISP Finance Services. They've entered into a loan purchase agreement or a deal that gives them the right to select existing loans from a medium-sized loan portfolio in the marketplace. Now, like any deal, it's subject to closing conditions. The management of ISP expects closing to occur before the end of this quarter. Now, next up, we got Main Event Entertainment Group here, coming out with a third quarter results and a year-to-date results. Now, talk about a company that has really been ravaged, given the pandemic and just given everything that's been happening in the sector as well. But coming out with profits here for the third quarter and the year-to-date. Headline numbers here. Revenues for the third quarter, 243.3 million versus 59.7 million. You would recall in 2020, it was at the peak of the pandemic, and this is now a 4-time multiple of the revenue number in 2020. We can't say the peak anymore because we're in this huge wave right now. But it goes to show you that in that quarter, July 31st, once you open up the economy, that's the local economy, things get better. Now, the net profit for the third quarter rallying to $20 million and change versus a loss in the previous year of 45.5 million Jamaican dollars. This is for the quarter July 31st, 2021. Earnings per share for the third quarter, Jamaican 10 cents per share, year to date 3 cents per share. Now, cash and bank balances well maintained, defense position, but it just shows you how well Main Event has pivoted and done compared to Nutstar Express and a few others. 153 million Jamaican dollars in cash, a well maintained current ratio. Just credit to the team at Main Event. They have really done well despite the pandemic and what's been thrown at them with the lockdowns. Last up tonight, we got CAC 2000 Limited, late filing of their unaudited third quarter financials. What the company is saying here, they should have uploaded their financials September 14th, 2021. It's going to be delayed due to the challenge with COVID-19 and the implementation of the ERP system. They should get it in, they anticipate, by October 25th, 2021 to the stock exchange. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.